Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Windows 11 not refreshing desktop. Access the Task Manager from the Start menu. There, select the Windows Explorer. When you do, click on Restart Task. Wait for the environment to be loaded again. After this, access the File Explorer. Here, click on the menu and choose Options. In the pop-up window, you will click on the button Restore Defaults. Apply these changes. Then right-click on the desktop to choose the Personalize option. Click on Themes.n. Now click on Desktop Icon Settings. In the small window, click on Restore Default. You can apply the changes. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.